Right then, you lot, welcome back. So it is Thursday the 8th of July, and if you're watching this on Friday the 9th, it is an absolute miracle because I've got no idea how I'm going to get this edited, but we are finally back in the garage ready to start installing this stroker motor back into the A3. Yeah, so things have been pretty manic lately. I've been working away in Wales and Cornwall quite a lot, had absolutely no time and pretty gutted, to be honest. Bill and Alex absolutely pulled things out of the bag to get this ready in time, and the honest truth is we are not going to make Snetterton next weekend. Pretty gutted, but that's how it goes. Life gets in the way despite best efforts and best laid plans. I've just not been here, so it hasn't happened. However, it's only another 4 weeks from today. Yeah, 4 weeks this weekend until Silverstone. So this will be in the car. We will be racing at Silverstone on the 7th of August. Fingers crossed it's in, it's all run in, back on the dyno at Badger 5 before then, and ready to go. So we've missed 3 races this season. We intend to come back at Silverstone with a bang. Right then, 60 Newton meters. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to back this off, wind it back on to 60. So that's the flywheel on. They are currently all torqued to 60 Newton meters, and they're about to get their 90 degrees. One, two, 3, 4, shave on, 5, 6. Whew. Even that's quite tough. There we go. 6 of them, all torqued 90 degrees. Right. Flywheel side. One clutch in. Right, let me find some Loctite. That could have been close. Slightly less than FT, because I stripped that last time. Go me! It's late. This is not going to be the best video you've ever had from me at all, but let me flip the camera around. We have one engine essentially ready to go in. So the box is on, most of the ancillaries are on the front. All that is left is drop the turbo and manifold onto the back. I'm going to push it in. I'm going to put the inlet on after the engine's in. So yeah, we're nearly ready. That should be going in tomorrow with any luck, which may or may not be today, depending when you're seeing this. Sorry it's a short one, sorry it's pretty simple. It was either radio silence or show you where we're at. Hopefully next week it will be running and on the way to being run in. Hope you guys will like this one. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have fun, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care guys. Bye bye.